Hi viewers, I'm Karthik, Tamila Karthik. Today we are in day 84. We are going to talk about flanking marketing. Every day we are discussing a lot of marketing tips, techniques and business strategies. Today in this type of marketing, we are going to learn something which we can implement in our business. I'm really happy and proud to meet you all in this 365 days of business Viva series. So let me tell you a brand what they did and then you can easily understand what is flanking marketing. Many brands who are focusing on cool drinks like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, and one particular brand when they have launched their cool drink in their brand name Red Bull, they have target the audience using the name as energy drink, not just a cool drink. So they have changed the segment of the audience for the purpose of why they are taking cool drinks. So they have changed something in their product, and some brand may change something in the price. For example, the Apple have higher price. That is also a kind of flanking marketing. In simple words, whenever we are uh, targeting the people whom our competitor missed to target, that is called as flanking marketing. For example, I'll tell you a real case study what happened in our area. For instance, whenever a bike salesperson approaching you will be the evening time or morning time. What these people did is at early morning 3 a.m. they have met all people who are doing milk oriented business, because that time they'll be assembled in some place and they can easily reach people. They can inform how they can use this particular vehicle for their own business. So they have met them at 3 a.m. That is a kind of flanking marketing. You can take about Ola Auto. What is the difference between normal auto to Ola? Basically in Ola, we don't need to pay it at the beginning, we don't need to bargain. These two segment they have target, because in traditional auto we have to bargain and we have to fix the price. We can't fix the price at the beginning, but here we can fix the price. We can see the price at the beginning itself. That's the difference between normal auto and Vola. So like this we have lot of examples. Let me say this particular marketing strategy may helpful in many segment of yours. Let me take another example of Indian Post. This Indian Post have not target some two segment of tracking the lead, and second one is to pick up in the product. But these two is done by many courier people and they have captured the market. Let us try to implement this particular marketing strategy in our business and let us grow. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we'll meet in contracts appeal marketing strategy. Thank you all.